Yeah. I'm chilling in my car, just like a star. I ain't sipping on the bar, make the beat skip. I ain't gon' trip. I'ma come through and my paint ain't gon' flip. This ain't chocolate chip, this ain't no candy. Yeah, I'm in a cutlass and my ass ain't dancing. I ain't got no switches, I ain't got no change. Boy, see me, I skip through this thing. Just like check out the track. I don't need a beat for me to attack. Coming with skills, coming with flows. Everybody see me, make my top blow. Volcano eruptions, man, you can't mess with me, can't even touch this. I don't know, man. We just chillin'. Screwmook on the Cut Dog Show. And we gon' hit y'all with that underground flavor. Some new stuff and some old stuff. Cause we so rough and we so tough. So dope, so blow. Man, we gotta head to the stove. We gon' ride in the Cut Dog or we gon' ride in the...
We ain't gonna make it in the Cut Dog.
We gon' make it in the Cut Dog.
No, we're not.
She said we ain't gonna make it in the Cut Dog.
I doubt that. I seriously
We'll make it in the Cut Dog.
I'll follow you. Let's follow you. But no, I don't take
That's
that
alright.
chance.
We're gonna put a big block in the Cut Dog and we're gonna make it scratch tires on every corner.
Okay, let's cut it short so we can go.
Well, you heard the lady?
Gotta go.
Gotta
Be
go.
back.
Gotta cut it short. We'll holler at you. Screwmook.
God bless.
T-Bell. Cut Dog Show.